Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Calm app. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it